MeghalayaPost.news
Kakasi Student Union KSU Shillong Mengi Circle Kalai por Shi Taiew Ïaka Tnat Urban Affairs ka Sarkar Meghalaya Pynpra Ïaka Ophis CBI Pynpra Ïaka Jaka Blei Blei Plau Jong ka Office Kabadan Hamau Diang Ïaka ni karai ka KSU Kalapentim hadin ka Jungi Kendu Yaw Director ka Tnat Urban Affairs ka Sarkar Meghalaya Habakran Kilat Pathai Kubor Regional Secretary ka KSU Shillong Mengi Circle Usamla Samuel Kharbani Ulong Bagaseng Kalayo Pdiang Ïaka Jubab na ka Tnat Urban Affairs Paklaan Jaka Ïaka CBI Hamau Diang Bantay Tang Ïaka Office Bat ka Jakasa Usamla Samuel ulong badai markani ka KSU kala banjur baga Tnat Urban Affairs kadai ban Pha Ïaka CBI baga dai ban Pynpra Ïaka Jaka Blei na markalong bian katkum ka jingyate u director lapan por da ka boong bon hab ya katkum kimat bala kadaw da ka KSU na markata ngilai por Shi Taiew Ïaka Tnat Urban Affairs bakane ka badon kam ban Pha Ïaka Office CBI ban Pynpra Ïaka Jaka Blei balate bian na markata ngin ab Ïaka jingpan por u director bala da ka Tnat Urban Affairs kamla bande AA ngin penlong da ka jingyaki hangni kmat jong ka Office Urban Affairs ne ka Office CBI Hamau Diang.
Today the KSU Students Union Shillong Mengi Circle along with the President met with the Director. We stressed upon many points after we have got the reply from them that the structure of the building of the CBI campus, which is in Diang, was given a permission to construct only a office residential complex. So we stressed the Director that he should demolish, point one, he should demolish that structure, and then he should not alter any permission after that.
CEO.
The CEO, while talking with the CEO has asked for an extra time, telling us that he will be needing to go point-wise to the issues that we have written to them, especially to the Urban Affairs. We have not written anything to the CBI because last time when we went there, the CBI was not in the mood in talking with us, showing their attitude and all. So after that, we got the reply, knowing that the land was allotted by Urban Affairs. So it is our duty bound to pressure the Urban Affairs, knowing that that land was given by the Urban Affairs Department. Since the Director has asked for a little bit of time, so we just taking and planning of giving 1 week or 1 week and a half time. But if not, we're going to protest. It might be here, it might be in the CBI office. A question to the CBI office is that what kind of a principle are they trying to show in this state when they themselves are conducting an illegal construction inside their campus?
MeghalayaPost.news